Morning everybody, doing trouble there, DRFX Forex Swing Trading. This analysis is going to focus on the New Zealand Canadian dollar, which is once again in a very interesting scenario. Basically we have a situation in which we had a pair of strong double tops that led to the bearish movement that eventually broke this strong uptrend line that had been in place since 2009. Basically what we have now is a situation in which the pair has now started to pull back and could possibly be testing this trend line before U-turning to continue the bearish movement in favor of the Canadian dollar. So let's take a quick look at the closer situation that has formed on this time frame. Here we can see that a small range setup has been formed, as well as an even smaller one above the resistance area here below this uptrend line. So what we could have here is that if we're going to be seeing a continuation of this breakout bearish, the market could actually break out from this smaller range setup and then continue to then break below this area here. We could also have the market rally temporarily above this area here to actually hit this trend line before U-turning. So that is a second possibility that we could see ahead of this continued movement bearish. So let's look out for that possibility over the next couple of days, and hopefully there will be a trade that we can take advantage of in this direction. On the other hand, as you will see in many of my videos, there always has to be a consideration for the upside or the less likely scenario. This is the more likely scenario based on the strong double tops that we saw on this area, on this chart, on this area here, and the fact that we're broken below this major uptrend line. However, we must also always consider the possibility that the market could reverse and break above this trend line as well as above this major downtrend, somewhat major downtrend line, to continue the movement bullish. However, that is the less likely scenario right now. But as with all analysis, all possibilities must be explored. So right now the focus should be on the bearish side. Well, either with a breakout that starts here or at this area here, and less likely in terms of a situation in which we actually see the market reverse and go bullish. So let's keep our focus on the bearish possibility, and hopefully there will be a trading opportunity for us of about 200 pips. So until then, happy trading.